What's good with y'all? We back with another fucking mixing tutorial. Today we're actually going over how you can sound like Travis Scott in the song I Know from his new album. I mean, it's not new. Today we're gonna recreate this song. First of all, I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds. So let's just play this shit.
Tell me is you still up? It's 5 AM and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You said it's just a just, and I know.
As y'all can hear, it's really fucking accurate. I've spent so much time making this preset for real. I hope y'all really enjoy it because y'all will get a main preset and an ad-lib that I will show you now.
Tell me is you still up?
It's from this one.
Tell me is you still up?
2 more ad-libs. I mean, yeah. I think it's 3 ad-libs. 2 or 3 ad-libs. And then here's one more example. Then we got one more here.
And I can be drunk. Then again, I can be drunk.
One thing I want to say is that I don't have a fucking $100,000 mic, so don't expect me to go out here and be like 100% accurate. But I mean, it's as close as I could get it from my fucking bedroom. I think it sounds really good for being in my bedroom. Like, I have I have some treatment here, but that's the only thing I got. And this mic is like $100, I think. This is the closest you can get from your bedroom. Okay, so I'm gonna break down what's in the preset right now. First of all, we got the auto tune, which is on F minor, reaching speed 2, 5, NS1, 13.1, Xvox Pro. This will be linked in the description, by the way. The preset is fully free. I will leave it in a drive link where you will get Xvox Pro, and the preset also requires Waves plugins, but you feel me? I can hook y'all up. I can fix that for y'all. I will leave a little link that y'all can just, I'll fix that for y'all. And then we got a FX RTA stereo. I don't even gotta break this shit down because it's all in the preset. Y'all will just get to download it for free. But yeah, I will show it anyways for y'all that want to see it. Every band here. Yeah, there. You can also tweak it for your own voice, so it's fully customizable. And then we got the master. I put a little Ozone 11 here to just make it wider. I can show you how it sounds with it.
Tell me is you still up? It's 5 AM and I'm drunk right now.
And without.
Tell me is you still up? It's 5 AM and I'm drunk right now. Can we still fuck? When I'm in a zone.
This is a AI mastering assistant. I use it for all my songs and just tweak it a little bit based on how I want it to sound. But for this one I didn't touch anything, just for the sake of the video. I hope y'all really enjoy it because I put so much time into this, as I said before. And for this video I will actually leave the project file in the description in the drive, so just go ahead if you want to f around my vocals or something, just experiment, you feel me? So that was it for this video. Have a good day and I'll catch y'all in the next one.